All right, let's get it. Pretty unfortunate day today. I cannot lie. Unfortunate day. Let me fucking what is this shit? Oh, got a new shirt though. Fucking Hello Kitty. Biggest Hello Kitty fan ever right here. No, I'm joking. But it was cheap as fuck, so I got that shit. Make it look a little nicer. I gotta fix my fucking wall. But let's get into the trade recap. We lost today by the thumbnail. Got fucking cooked. Did two things wrong here. Can you see? Yes, you can. Okay. First thing. This was the trade I took. Let me check if there was any news. There was news at 1 p.m. So yeah, no news when we were in the trade. Okay, but two things we did wrong. Downtrend, obviously, right? Boom, boom, boom. Did that correctly. Downtrend, I thought it was going to come down and hit these lows. I was like, whenever you're on a downtrend, my new strategy is to wait either for when you're at a downtrend already, you want to wait for this move to happen to go to the downside. Basically like a retracement. More what I do is More what I do is this. Then I wait for this move to take out this high or meet the high and then crash to get that big move. So I wait for these 1 hour highs to get taken out or where I think liquidity is. You can see it rejected, it came up, took out this, and then it closed below the rejection. Now when you close below the rejection, you don't want to make sure, well, you want to make sure that this doesn't happen. And what you do is you wait for a rejection to the upside. So like a retracement. This is the example. Oh shit. Go down, up, down, reject, boom, hit that. And then came down. We're at the bottom where it rejected last time. We want to wait till it breaks through and then gives me a retracement so I know it's not going to go higher. Because if it breaks below the rejection of the retracement, you almost never see that if it's a valid retracement. Sometimes you see it when it's not valid though. And the thing I did wrong was it wasn't a valid retracement. We broke to the downside and then we got a wick rejection and then I entered. No fair value gap, no order block. This isn't the order block. The breaker structure was all the way fucking up here. This was the breaker structure. That's the order block. So it doesn't count as an order block. Trend is already happening. And we have all these lows right here where obviously you see it reversing right here on these built up lows. So we have this whole order block to take it out and it reacted on this and then it shot up into my stop loss. When I do plays like this, when it's like counter highs, like a continuation or continuation reversal, you want to make sure that you're not close to these lows over here. Then it could like push into your take profit and then just shoot up, which happened. But normally fuck. Normally, what you want to wait for, I'll do an example. So, boom, 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 boom. And I got in, say I got in the markets right here on this price. It came up, met this high, and then it closed below direction. This isn't close. Nowhere near close to this line down here. So we're good. We can do a continuation. We just got to wait for a retracement and then close below the rejection. That is a good entry. Targeting these lows. That's a good entry. But what happened here? Boom, 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 boom. Met, close below, retrace, close below the rejection. Boom. I entered. Lows right here. I'm targeting over here. It came down below and it uses these lows as liquidity and bounced off and took me out. These lows as liquidity, not this low, these lows. And then it bounced up and took me out. Now, I don't know if it's going to come down and actually take out these lows, but a lot of liquidity here. A lot of liquidity. And I also, another little mistake that I did, that not following my trading plan, the reach up didn't actually take out this 1 hour high. So I had this 1 hour marked out, 1 hour high marked out, and then I entered when this high got taken out, not the 1 hour high. This is the 1 hour high. I entered when this high got taken out, which is, it's not really a mistake. It's just it was used as liquidity, but mainly this was the mistake because I was already so close to the primary low, and a lot of these lows you have to be very, very careful with the retracement, and a wick rejection is not being careful at all. But I mean, it was a mid trade. I only lost 20. It's fine. Let's actually see how much I lost on that. Maybe like 21. Yeah, 21.12. Not the biggest loss ever. We're still doing fine. But yeah, just a little mistake that I had. But that's really everything. I had this play, which I'm probably gonna enter like now when it decides to give me an entry, because we have a rejection on this high. We came down. I marked out this fair value gap, and no retracements or order block and fair value gap. None of the true retracement happens. It finally came up to take out. Can I not? Finally came up to take out this order block. Now I'm looking to the downside to take out all this liquidity. All this liquidity. This could be a good trade. Probably gonna focus on this low getting broken through and a retracement happening. Probably looking at that. But yeah, I haven't really had a lot of experience in continuation trades, and this was my first one in a while. Like continuation reversal, where it came up, took out a high, and then continued to the lower side, the downside. So next time I'll have to focus. Can you see the ring light? Look at that, the ring light that I got. But yeah, just simple mistake. I could totally fix it. I just have to remember for the next time I do a continuation, And that's what you have to do with every single time you trade. Anytime you lose, you know you did something wrong in the market. And you just put that towards the next trade. And then you'll be good. Oh, let me show you what gold did, bro. Gold is wildin'. Like, what? Like, what? Big, huge drop. I watched it, break above these two highs, and I was like, okay, this is probably just gonna fucking rip, which it did for a while, and then it slowed down and just dumped back to under these lows. And I'm looking for this liquidity that got all these buy orders. You know what liquidity is, okay? The bunch of buy orders happened here. It came down to get more buy orders, bounced up. We're probably gonna have a rejection, and then it's gonna fly. So I'm looking for that. Or it's just gonna fucking dump, cause it's just overdue. You know what I mean? But that is what is going on with the gold right now. We can look inside the 5-minute real quick. Yeah, we had a double rejection on this order block kinda. This move down caused this move up. We're in the order block, double reject. We just need a regular strike to the upside and a retracement to target liquidity to the upside, and we might even target liquidity up here. But that's like a higher time frame type shit. But yeah, that is what we. Oh nah. That is what we've did yesterday, or I mean today, this morning. I actually, the fun thing is, oh shit, I'm good. I thought I was just showing y'all nothing for a second. But the funny thing is, I was actually right when I got up, like 9 or maybe 8 something, and I was like, okay, let me trade, and I was in bed with my tablet, and then I forgot that I had a doctor's appointment at 9:40, and then we had to go there. So mid doctor's appointment, I was managing my position. Like dead ass, I entered the position in the car ride going to the doctor's appointment. But that's not an excuse. I'm just saying it's a little fun fact. But yeah, come back tomorrow. You know, we're gonna make fucking bread tomorrow, I'm telling you. Or maybe today I'll upload another one showing that I entered that trade that I was talking about. But love y'all, man. See you in the next video. Peace.